Hello friends, today my topic is QA or Test Manager Interview Questions and Answer Part 2. Friends, in this video I will explain all these 5 questions with their answer. Friends, I am creating a series of QA Manager Interview Question and Answers. This is the second video of this series. If you are new on this channel, then I would recommend you to watch the part 1 before watching this video. I will provide the link of that video here or in the description section of this video. So let's start today's video. Friends, first question is, why should we give you this job or why should we hire you? Friends, by asking this question, employer wants to see that which candidate is going to make the most difference to their company. Few common answer for this question are: I am hard worker, I can work under pressure, I am good in people management. But you should avoid this because everyone is going to tell the same answer. So before giving the answer of this question, please keep the following point in your mind. First, your answer must be positive. Second, your answer must reflect that you are different from others. Third, you must show that you have something that others don't have. And the last one, you have to show them that your maximum skills match the job description or job requirement. If someone asks this question to me, then my answer will be, you should hire me for several reasons. Like, firstly, there is no need to spend your valuable time to supervise and monitoring me because I will always take responsibility of my task and the standard of my task. Second, I am very fast learner and also believe in knowledge sharing, so I can teach the same skill to team members so they can achieve their goals. Third, I have good track of records of achievements in my experience. Next, I can go some extra mile to achieve my team's goal. And the last, I am a good team player. I believe that we can achieve more when we work as a team. So you have to give the answer like this. Next question, why do you want to work here and why do you want this job? Friends, by asking this question, employer wants to see that how much you know about the company's product and your dedication towards the position. Before giving the answer of this question, please keep the following points in your mind. First, you must know about company's product and services. Second, you must know about company's history and growth. Third, what do you like the most about them? And the last one is how you see your career growth in this company. If somebody asks the same question to me, then my answer will be, I want this job for several reasons. Like, first, I did some research about your company. You have solid reputation for creating excellent products. I need to say that I am much impressed by the work in this field. I am much impressed by your work in this field. Second, I need this job because this is the job type that I genuinely love to do. Third, I feel that my skill and qualities match to this profile, so I can make an immediate and positive impact. Fourth, I also believe that this job will give me lots of challenges, so job satisfaction is also there. Next, your company have very good policies regarding skill improvement, so everyone can learn new skills and utilize in future project. And the last one is, you have a positive work culture. So if somebody asks this question to you, you have to give the answer like this way. Next question, what do you expect out of this role? Friends, by asking this question, employer want to see that how much you know about your role and expectation. So before giving the answer of this question, please keep the following points in your mind. First, your answer must be positive. You must show that you are going to learn a lot. And the next one is, you must show that you are ready for the positive and negative feedback points. If someone asks this question to me, then my answer will be, I am expecting first, I am expecting that The evaluation of my performance must be done not only on the positive point but also on the negative point so I can improve my position. Second, I am expecting that my performance will be recognized so I can excel in my career. Third, I am expecting new challenges will come into the picture so I will get more chance to improve my skills and my team skills also. Fourth, I will get more opportunity to solve more problems. And the last one is I am expecting to learn more about the role and responsibilities of my job in the company. So you have to give the answer of this question like that. Next question is, tell me about 2 achievements that you achieved in your previous company. Friends, by asking this question, employer wants to see that how efficient you are, how much hunger you have about achievements, and how much dedication you have. So before giving the answer of this question, please keep the following points in your mind. First, you have to show that how much dedication you have for your profile. Second, you must have to mention your team in your achievements. Third, you have to showcase that achievements that makes a difference. If someone asks this question to me, then my answer will be like, in my previous company, me and my team start working on mobile automation with Python for an e-commerce application. We don't have any experience in APM with Python, so we start learning by ourselves. I had arranged some external training with the help of my friends who have experience in this, means experience in APM. Me and my team work hard and complete the project before the deadline. We had completed the automation before the deadline, so we have time to optimize the code. We did that and add some extra value into the project. Second, I got the most punctual person award in all my previous company because punctuality is a very good thing. Last, me and my team got the team of the year award. So if somebody asks this question that tell me about your achievements, you have to give the answer like this way. Last question, how you set goals for you and your team. Friends, this is very important and tricky question. So by asking this question, employer want to see that your management style, your vision. So before giving the answer to this question, please keep the following points in your mind. First, you must have to show that how efficient you are towards your goal. Second, you must show the way by which you set the goals. If someone asks this question to me, then I will answer like that. First, for my team. Goals for my team depends on project to project. As a senior member of my team, I have to take part in the management meetings. I had to set the goals according to the project that are in pipeline and also according to the challenges that we are facing in the current project. For example, set a training session for new tools or new technology. I always keep the following points in my mind when set goals for my team. First, what we want to achieve. We have to start with small goals, write down the goals, make goals measurable, let people develop their own goals, set new goals together. Next, need to set the deadlines for that goals, track the progress of the goal and help people to meet their goal. Now, how to set goal for myself? For me, I have to set goal according to new projects that are in pipeline. For example, we have a project in pipeline that need to test with Cypress. So my goal will be to learn Cypress before my team so I can help them whenever required. Friends, I always keep the following points in my mind when set the goal for myself. First, what I want to achieve. Second, start with small goals. Third, write down the goals. Fourth, make goals measurable. Need to set deadlines, track the progress on goals and learn from the mistakes. So friends, these are the 5 important questions that I have explained in this video. Friends, if you like my video, please like it, comment it and subscribe my channel. If you have any question or any suggestion, please write the comment in the comment section. I will try to give you reply as early as possible and try to implement your suggestion also. So friends, have a nice day. Thank you so much.